So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a way you can be able to get people to view your products with ease and be able to actually buy from you without much stress. Okay, so without wasting of time, we're going to go right into the video. So by the way, first of all, permit me to show you an example that we want to avoid. You see, most people in e-commerce end up doing things like this. You can you see the numerous pictures for just a status? So I'm going to show you a way of avoiding this and still have people viewing your products and services and be able to order if they want. Is that cool? Alright, so if you want this, then pay attention and let's get started immediately. Okay, so you can see show an alternative. This is what you're going to do instead. So you have to get an app called InShot. In case you do not know or you don't have the app, download InShot, and then using the same photos, right? Look at what I'm going to do. You come over to InShot and you mark the photos you want. Can you see them? Okay, so after you mark them, now you're telling it to create a slideshow for you. So this is basically what it's going to do. Can you see? However, now we will want, you can see that it's long, it's a bit long, so people will not have time to check that. So the first thing we'll do now is to come to duration. Can you see duration? We'll reduce it to, let's do 1.5 seconds. Let me just leave it, even if it's not okay. Let's do it for this class, for the sake of this video. Let's do 1.5. Can you see 1.5? Please always start with this. I think there should be a way I should be able to change all at once. Yes, apply to all. Great. So you can see I've turned all of them to be 1.5. Now after this, or you know what, let's change it. Let's change the 1.5. I think it's a bit too low. Let's make it 2 seconds each, right? 2 seconds each. Okay, now this is the first thing. Okay, it's like I didn't apply to all. 2 seconds. Okay, it did 2 seconds for all. Great. All right, so now that we have it as 2 seconds each, the next thing to do is to come to texts. Now what do we do in text? We write the prices. Now I'm just going to use a generic price. You come to, let's just say these are 22,000. Can you see? You put the price here, you just put it here, you don't even need to talk much. So look, observe this now. After putting this price, you make sure the timeline sticks at the same 2 seconds we are dealing with. Can you see? So you come here, you come to edit, and then okay, so again, don't forget, click on this color to make sure that you have a color that doesn't alter or get distorted or not seen by the background. So if possible, I advise come to this label. Can you see label? Just come to label and select a wall for it. That's like a frame, so that you put it, then you select a good color. I'm going to use red. You can use white on black, you can use black, then the text will be white. Do you understand? So let me come, so this is label, right? Then I come to text. Can you see text? I'm going to change the text color to be white. Up here, and you duplicate. Can you see it has now duplicated? In fact, you need to do it for all the remaining. Can you see? All right, so once you're done, this is okay. Can you see? So now after having this, you can see this is how to show. For this, make sure you just adjust them to positions that will be clearly seen. If you want, you can just play around with the text so that it doesn't look boring. Come to the next one, slide to the next one. You don't need to waste so much time. Good, you can see, and then you go to the next. So you actually take time to do this for all of them. Mind you, don't forget to write your naira or whatever currency it is you're charging for it. Okay, at the end of the so this is how it's going to look. So you see, you are taking off the stress of people having to go through 30 seconds each viewing the same product. You're making it faster for them. Can you see how fine it's looking? So believe me, when you start doing this, you actually realize that more people will start maybe asking of the product, asking you. They will just screenshot the particular one they want and then sending it to you to actually how to get it, where they are, and all that. You see, that means orders for you, right? So now after this, what do we do next? You can also come over. So if you have other text you want to write, maybe free shipping, you can add it. For example, you can just come to free text, free delivery available in Nigeria, available in Abuja. Okay, so let's say I want to do free delivery for people. If this is big, you just reduce it like this. Can you see it? This is it. I have my text. Again, make sure that, okay, so maybe if I want this one to be long, to be in all the photos, I can just reduce it and make it small. Maybe I'll put it somewhere I know will not interfere. I can just draw this now and now. Can you see it? I can draw it through to the end. Okay, so I can add some music. Just come over and look for putting so many. It will be in draft. If you come next time, maybe you have new products, all you have to do is just to come and replace these images. Can you see? Just to replace them, change the price, and boom, you have your stuff. And then maybe if you want to also add something like call us ads, you can just come here, put a blank screen. Can you see? We now have a blank screen. Then you just come and add your text and say, see. So look at the video now. Let me just play it for you. See? How many minutes did you take to do this? No time at all.
She no like it, I don't know. She got up on. She give a cuckoo. Waka from Transamadi.
For you. Okay, I didn't add the music here. So maybe what I'm going to do is I can just duplicate the music. It just came around here. Oh no, it duplicated this text. It's the music I want to duplicate. Okay, for this now, okay, let me go to music. Case closed. That is it. So we are done, guys. We have ourselves an almost professional video. And again, okay, let me also add background for those of you. Maybe you want to put, like, if you have your company logo, you want to put it in the background like that. You just click here. You can come to, you can just come to image. Can you see this image? And then you select, let's say, let me look, do I have my logo here? If you have a logo you would like to add, let's say this is my logo, it will just be in the background. I'm sure you're used to seeing stuff like that. It's so simple, these things are so simple, but most times either we do not ask. Can you see it's in the background? Because the book is not really centered, you won't get to see it. If you want it to be a bit blurred, you can put it, and that's it. So I think anytime you want to add everything, just come to this left. Can you see this left tick, and it will be able to allow you to add. Let me change this image. I don't like this image. It makes it look so noisy. So but basically, that's how you add your background. But I think I don't want the video to be so long, but I think we've been able to achieve something, right? All right, so yeah, if in case you like this training, I have a training that is coming up. You can chat me up and I'm going to pull you through. It's basically how to create an e-commerce site, how you can create an e-commerce site where you can actually place your orders, right, where people can come to your site, they can add to carts, place their order right from the comfort of their phones. And guess what? You don't need a laptop to create this. You can actually create this with your own phone, and before you notice it, you'll be getting WhatsApp notifications of people interested or who have placed their orders. You can actually integrate it with Paystack, Paystack, where they can even get not just only add to cart but also make their payments, and boom, you just get alerts. So if you're interested in that, feel free to inbox me. The training is just going to be 5k, just 5,000 naira. But I'm telling you, if you're able to really take this seriously, I'm going to show you other skills and ways you can actually boost your business, okay? So watch this short clip to see exactly how it works.
So here's a quick demo of how the WhatsApp e-commerce store works. So this is your homepage that has information about your business WhatsApp line, address, and whatnot. So if the customer wants to shop, all they need to do is click on store. And then when they click on store, they can add to cart, add to cart, add to cart, add to cart. And everything they add to cart shows here in their cart. They can check to confirm if everything they want is what they've selected, and then they click on continue. Here you see that Paystack is checked, so they can check on Paystack. So they fill in their details here and then click on continue, and then they can ask for an OTP to be sent. That's what they use to complete their transaction. So let's go find the OTP right now. And so the OTP is 320194. So let's fill that in here, 320194. Verify and confirm order. And let's wait for that to load. So they can pay with their card, pay with bank, pay with transfer, pay with USSD, whatever option they choose. So let's assume they want to pay with their card. So they just click here, fill in their card details and pay. And voila, you've gotten your alert. You sold your product. Amazing, right? So you see why